Hi and welcome. Thought I'd take a few of you through how to search for images that don't have copyright, or at least have copyright that means that you can use them in your work. So, what we're going to do is go to search.creativecommons.org, and we're going to use that as our search engine. Now, the nice thing about this is deliberately looking for images that have a Creative Commons license, and there's lots of information about the different licenses that are available. You click on here and about licenses, it'll actually take you through a full description of what the different licenses do, and they're really useful. Having said that, you do need to read the fine print. Some Creative Commons licenses allow you to use images for pretty much anything you like, and other ones will only allow you to use them for not changing them, and you have to say whose image it is. Obviously you don't want any of the images that are under that license, because you won't be able to edit them. So we're going to use the word statue. Obviously we're in a museum, so we'll use a statue, and we're going to start by searching Flickr. Now, Flickr's great, but do make sure you're signed in. If you're not signed in, then downloading the images becomes more problematic, and obviously this system isn't perfect. You can see this one here has a copyright symbol on the bottom of the image, so it's not going to work. Now we've got to fit this image somehow into our museum, so shooting from below, chances are that's not going to work. The lighting is a little bit flat on this one, but you may well be able to use it. It's up to you as to how creative you get with your editing. Let's go with this one because, remember, you are looking for an image that will actually fit with the lighting that you have in your image itself. Pretty much picking this one. If I see it in here, unless you've done some serious editing to it, probably not a good idea to use it. You've been warned. Okay, we have a look at the some rights reserved. Click on that, and this is an attribution 2.0 generic, which means you're free to share, copy and redistribute, and adapt. Now that's the key word. We need to be able to adapt. You do, however, need to make sure that you give it attribution, which means that you need to provide the URL and the name of the person who took the image, which is Tim. Green. So if you're sending me this in, I expect you to be copying the URL, which is this link up here. So just simply Control-C, cut and paste, and put it into your Word document, and cut and paste Tim's name as well, so we've got that. Now to download in Flickr, click on this download arrow, and you can choose the size. You want pretty much as high resolution as you can get, and then it will download it. I'm using Chrome, so it'll download and stick it in my download function. Alright, so that's it. And then once you've collected your images, you can start editing and adding them to your museum. So hopefully that gives you some help.